Just to have a practice, let's say I want to insert and replace any regular dash with n dash or m dash. How can I do that? Undefined what? I'm looking for dash. Replace with. If you remember the shortcut, you could insert. If not, allow me to remove the formatting. Okay, special. And let's say m dash. Although it is too long, but yeah, maybe not bad. And I could search find, you see, one by one. And I could replace them all. Again, actually not down everywhere. Okay. And now we have every dash replaced with m dash. How can I replace with n dash? Of course, it is very easy. I could remove that and here, a special, find any m dash and replace with n dash. You see the characters you could remember. I will provide the list of these specials and replace them all. Yes, and now they are shorter one. And you could practice on them on and on. And also for hyphen, section break, and even white space. What is white space? Allow me to search for you. Any space between characters, doesn't matter short or long, it is counting as a white space. Any space, you see, even before bullets, numbering, manual one, tab characters, not necessary tab, but any spaces on the horizontal version is counted as a white space. Now to have a practice, let's say any n dash I want to set the red color. So I could search any special, any n dash, and I don't want to have maybe highlight. Allow me to remove here, no highlighting. Replace with, again replace with n dash, but on the format, font color, I want to set with red and maybe bold. Okay, and replace them all. Now all my n dashes have red bold color.